Now, good morning students. Now I'm going to tell you further about the project. This is video number 2 of the project work, and please listen to the video, watch the video very carefully. So now we come after making these pages which we have already made, like the first page, that is the project report, the second page, that is the certificate, the third page, that is contents, the fourth page, that is acknowledgement, and then the next page, that is introduction, in which you have to write all these things. And I've already told you that we are going to cover the 14 principles of management, and the observation tools which we are going to use are first questionnaire. 9 principles we will cover through questionnaire, and the next 5 principles we are going to cover through personal observation. Now moving on to empirical investigation 1, which is based on questionnaire. Now 9 principles, as I've already told you, we will cover based on the questionnaire. So you will copy down this page till here, like you will tell that we will cover these 9 principles by way of questionnaire. Now what you have to do is you have to get these questions typed. See these questions? There are 9 questions given for 9 principles, in which each and every principle is covered. In the first point, authority and responsibility is covered. In the second point, unity of command is covered. Third point, subordination of individual interest to general interest is covered. Now, now you have to make 20 questionnaires like this. See, these are the printed 20 questionnaires. You have to get this format printed here on this sheet. So see, these are 20 questionnaires which you have to attach in the project. So these are 20 questionnaires which you have to attach in the project. So this questionnaire, you have to get it filled from the employees of the company which you will visit, right? For example, do you have all the authority connected with your work? Now you will take the response of 20 people. Now yes, if I say yes, okay, yes, no, then blank. Number of respondents, you will fill here 20, because number of respondents, you will make 20 questionnaires. You will get this questionnaire filled from 20 different people. Okay, do you get orders from more than one boss? Suppose no, then number of respondents 20. So this way you will get these 20 questionnaires filled properly by the employees of the company which you will visit. Okay, now the next part is the analysis section. Now see the analysis section. Now we will do the analysis of each and every principle. First we will move on with the 9 principles. Authority and responsibility, you will write the meaning from here. Then results of empirical investigation, you will make a block. Do you have all the authority connected with your work? Now here the respondents are 80, but we are taking the respondents as 20. How many out of 20 have said yes? Suppose 12 have said yes, you will count in the sheets. How many of them have said no? Suppose 7 of them have said no, that makes 19. And no response, you can say 1. One person has not responded to this question at all, so no response is 1. So you will count from these sheets, from these 20 sheets, that how many of them have said yes for this first question. How many, for example, I'm going to count. Suppose in these sheets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, see, 7, 8, this is no, 8, 8, 1. See, 8 people have said yes. So see here, I've written 8. 6 people have said no, and no response is of 6 people, and number of respondents is 20. So this way you have to make the analysis section of all these 9 principles from the sheets which you have got them filled. Here the whole data is of 80 respondents, but we have to make the data of only 20 respondents. So you have to note this everything down from here except this chart. This chart will be according to your own sheets which you will make, and you will get it filled from the employees. So I hope I am absolutely clear with this part. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in September exam business studies group. I will definitely clear all your doubts. Now moving on to empirical investigation 2. Now 9 principles we have covered in the empirical investigation 1, that is the questionnaire. Now empirical investigation 2, which is based on personal observation. Now what you have observed personally about division of work, whether there is division of work, meaning, then results of empirical investigation and conclusion. This you will note down from here. So these 5 principles you will cover from here. So I hope this is clear to you. Now then summary and concluding remarks. You will write the summary. Then you will make this table. Then you will make this table number 2. You will favorable and unfavorable. This is by questionnaire. This is with the help of personal observation. Then conclusion and suggestion for further study. So you will copy all this from here. And in the last, you will make the appendix. This also you will get it printed from the on your computer and get a print, and you will take out a printout. How many yes for this question, how many no response, and number of respondents, you will make a summary. For example, because we are taking 20 respondents, so you will make the appendix only of 20 respondents. For example, see, this is the appendix. This will be put in the end. This will be joined in the end. So do you have all the authority connected with your work? 8 yes, 6 no, 6 no response, 20 respondent. So see this page carefully. We will make this appendix according to only 20 respondents, because we will get only 20 questionnaires filled from 20 different employees of the company. So see this carefully. This is according to the sheets which we have got filled from the employees. So I hope this is absolutely clear to you. And the last page is bibliography. As you know, the books which you have consulted, the newspaper, and the networking system. And the last page will be teachers' observation. So see, teachers' observation. Here I will sign and give you comments and give you the remarks which I want to give. So this will be the last sheet of your project. Now I hope this project is absolutely clear to you, and I'm sure you will be able to make the project very nicely. Again, I'll give you a brief summary of the whole project. So first of all, the project report. I want you to make this kind of cover for this, though this is an accountancy project, but I want you to make this type of cover for your project. Then second sheet will be the certificate. Then third sheet will be the contents. You can see the photographs on each and every page. Try to take out the photographs, the colored printouts of the photographs. Then acknowledgement. Then see the introduction, which you will copy from the book. This introduction you will copy from the book. Then about the organization which you will visit. Then everything from the book you will copy. I've already told you limitations of the study. Then empirical investigation 1, I've told you that 9 principles you will cover based on questionnaire. You will get 20 questionnaires printed like this, and then you will attach the questionnaires. Then analysis section will be according to these questionnaires which are filled. So see the photographs for each and every principle. 9 principles you will cover by the way of questionnaire. You can see the photographs also. Then after that, after 9 principles, we will move on to the empirical investigation number 2, and 5 principles we will cover by the way of personal observation, and this you will copy from the book by personally observing how these 5 principles are being carried out. And in the last, you will write summary and concluding remarks. You will make these tables which are given in the book, and then you will make the appendix. You will again get this printed, and you will make the summary of the questionnaires which are there. This I have already shown. And last is the bibliography, and then is the teacher's observation. So I hope the whole project is absolutely clear to you, Please start making this project in this week. I am not going to start with anything else, any other topic, but in this week, please try to complete your project because you have full 1 week with you. If you will finish your project by 15th October, you will be at a benefit. And I'm going to start checking your projects after 15th of October. So I think have a nice day, have a wonderful day, and please start making your project. Thank you.